remember we met.
Hello everyone, compliment of the season. Yippee, it is Christmas. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Uju Emeka. If this is your first time of watching, you are highly welcome. So as you can see, I have two iPhone here. The orange color one is my old iPhone and the new one is my iPhone 12 Pro. So I'll be unboxing it today so you see how the new iPhone looks. The old one have been giving me problem for some time now, so I decided to get myself a new brand iPhone Pro 12, and this is it. So I'll be unboxing it with my beautiful daughter to the Sabrina, but she will not be showing her face. So let's go. So this is it. Wow, it looks beautiful, and I got the blue color of it. Wow, look at it. Please open, let me see. Wow, it's really nice. I wanted to buy the gold, but I decided to go for blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors, so this is how it is. What is inside, Sabrina?
There are just some things.
Okay, this is the pin if you want to put your SIM card.
It's inside here.
Okay.
Then there's a charger.
Wow, okay, just like normal iPhone charger.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Apple decided to not put more things inside because of the cut environment.
Okay.
Okay. So let's open it.
Let me see how the phone looks. Okay. Wow, it looks beautiful. This is the front. Can I see the back?
Yeah.
Wow, the blue is really nice. The blue color is nice.
Let me on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see how it. One good thing about iPhone is that if you are an iPhone user, what you have to do is just to transfer your data, your information from the old iPhone to the new one, so I have a iPhone information already on my old phone. What my daughter have to do is just to transfer the information with the cloud, with the Apple Cloud. Is that not what we are going to use, Sabrina? We use the Apple Cloud and we transfer the information to the new phone, and I will get everything.
Oh wait, but should we first do this quick start?
You said?
Transfer everything from this one to this one.
Yes, we transfer the information from the old phone to the new one.
Okay.
Like how long will it take?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, okay.
Depends on how long it is. Wait.
No, I don't want to show everything. What did you just do? You just scan the information. Wait, you don't want them to see my pin, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
So this is the cover of the phone. The phone is so beautiful. This is the case. It's so beautiful. I love it. And this is my old phone. I like colored phones. As you can see, this is iPhone, my iPhone XR, the old one I was using before I got the new one. This is the pin you use to open where you pull the SIM. This is the charger. The charger is so unique and simple. And so this is it. I hope I will enjoy my new phone, and you guys, with time you guys will see the phone. It's a beautiful iPhone Pro 12 that I just got. and I decided to go for blue. Other colors are nice, but blue is one of my favorite colors. So Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you and compliment of the season.